In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable 2FA on Shopify. First things first, let's talk about why you might want to disable 2FA, short for two-factor authentication, on your Shopify account. While 2FA adds an extra layer of security to your e-commerce venture, ensuring that only you have access to your account, there could be reasons why you find it more convenient at times to disable it. Whatever your reasons, I'm here to guide you through the process step by step, seamlessly and securely. To begin, let's navigate to the Shopify homepage. You can do this simply by typing www.shopify.com into your browser's address bar. Once you're there, you'll notice a login button prominently displayed. Click on it to proceed. This action will take you to a login screen where you're required to enter your email address. It's important to use the email associated with your Shopify account to avoid any access issues. After entering your email and hitting continue, you'll be prompted to input your password. Take your time to ensure you've entered it correctly before clicking on login. Logging in successfully brings you to the main dashboard of your Shopify admin. Here, you should see various tabs and options to manage your online store, but what we're looking for is the My Store button, usually found at the top of your dashboard. Clicking on My Store directs you deeper into the account management section of your Shopify admin. Look for and select the Manage Account option. This action takes you to a new page where various account settings can be modified. Among these is the Security tab. Click on it to proceed. This is where Shopify houses its security settings, including the options for two-factor authentication. Once in the Security tab, you'll clearly see the option to remove 2FA from your account. Selecting this will initiate the process to disable the extra security layer. Shopify, prioritizing your account's safety, will ask you to confirm your password. It's a safeguard to ensure that any changes made to the security settings are authorized by you, the account holder. After entering your password, you will need to click Next to confirm your choice to disable 2FA. This action is the final step in removing the two-factor authentication from your Shopify account. Shopify may ask you to review your decision, providing an important moment to ensure that you indeed wish to proceed without the added security layer. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated through disabling two-factor authentication for your Shopify store. This small yet significant adjustment allows you access to your account more straightforwardly, though it's always wise to weigh the benefits of convenience against the merits of heightened security. A few tips before we wrap up. Consider the implications of disabling 2FA on your account's overall security. Especially if you're handling sensitive customer data, Shopify offers various other security measures you can explore to ensure your store remains as secure as possible. Remember, the steps covered today are easily reversible. Should you decide to re-enable 2FA in the future for enhanced security, the process is just as straightforward, ensuring you can adapt your account's security settings to suit your changing needs. That's all for this tutorial on disabling two-factor authentication on Shopify. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more helpful guides to navigate your e-commerce journey with confidence.